Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. Today in the studio returning is Mr. Ever Cabrera. Ever, how you doing, sir?
Doing good, sir. How about you?
Doing fantastic. Ever, what's going on with Service Titan? I know you're trying to get all the techs up to speed with that. How you making out?
So far, we just waiting to start to using. So we definitely is up and running.
So what kind of problems you running into with the guys? Are they fighting you trying to switch over from Hindsight?
Yeah, because it's a different program, so we have some problem there, but definitely we go and get it.
I think this is going to be a lot easier for the guys. It's cloud-based. They can log on from anywhere in the world with either their iPad or their telephone.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking it's going to be a lot easier as far as inputting information and working with clients with it. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks like better than Hindsight. Has more option and everything.
So how's it going working with clients so far? Are they finding it easy to look at your tablet and understanding what's going on?
Yes,
what
sir.
what you're trying to communicate with them?
Yes, and I think it's better to make a charge and everything, so make a payment.
Right
So
then
it
and
looks
there.
like-
So you're bringing it right up now. You're showing them the work order. They're reading it. They're signing it off. They're signing it, and they're paying you right on the spot.
Yeah, definitely. Before and after the job complete.
So that way they're seeing everything what's going on in real time.
Yes, sir.
And then if they want any future work done, you can give them a quote on it then too. So
Yes.
if you're there for a lawn sprinkler system, but they want some outdoor lighting, you could quote them right then and there. Go into your price book, show them some fixture, show them a transformer, show them the Astro timer,
Yeah, so
the
we
labor,
can,
what's going to cost to install, and give them a quote right then and there.
yeah, definitely we can give an estimate like at the spot, and they decide if
They
they
can
want to
accept it
do
right then and there and done
Yeah.
with it, right? A whole lot better than have to come back to the office, going back to pen and paper. Now you have it all in front of everybody, and you have it recorded. It's up in the cloud. It's done. So that's got to be a whole lot easier.
Yeah, definitely it's better because they have the estimate right in front of the customers.
And,
So-
and if they're not right there, right at that moment, or you're talking to a spouse and the other party wants to see it, that can be emailed electronically or texted to them right then and there.
Yeah,
So you could be talking to the wife if the husband's away, or you could be talking to the husband if whatever it might be, the other half, if there's two people making a decision in the household. So now we can get this to them in real time. They can look at it, make a decision, and move on. So it's a lot easier for them too.
yeah, definitely.
And they don't have to worry about trying to catch us up for a payment. They can make a payment in real time. They're all done. They're happy. It's one thing left off their check-off list for their day. Everybody's busy. This just takes care of it a whole lot quicker.
Yeah, and they don't wait more to 2 or 3 weeks to get the estimate. So they
Now it's instant.
Mhm.
Ever appreciate you coming in today and sharing that information with us.
Thank you, sir.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. We'll see you next week with another episode.